from SteakStones. Simply the best way to create a fun and live dining experience at home.
Ishiyaki literally translates to ishi, meaning rock, and yaki, meaning grill, and that's exactly what we've created. But it's actually a stone, not a rock, but you get what we mean.
We were going to create one of those flash Kickstarter videos, shot in our favourite Japanese restaurant with views over mountains and lakes.
But like a lot of people, we're stuck in lockdown, so we just had to film at home. We hope you enjoy.
Our Ishiyaki set was born from a love of experiential dining, from the Teppanyaki Tables of Japan to the Yakiniku grills and their origins in Korea.
Not many have a chance to install a Teppan table at home, and it's a lot of fuss trying to recreate a Yakiniku grill. It's even tricky to say it. So we've instead come up with this simple plastic design.
We use the very best quality lava stone from our quarry in Italy, superheated from 3 to 350 degrees Celsius or 550 to 660 degrees Fahrenheit, which allows you to cook your meat, fish or vegetables live at the table.
Enough chit chat, it's time to steak.
Hot stone cooking is a super healthy way to dine with no oils or fats used in the cooking process.
The dry searing heat traps in the succulence of your chosen meat, fish or vegetables, ensuring every last mouthful is as hot and delicious as the first.
It's simply the best way to cook your steak. Just ask anybody who's tried it.
This is the best! This is your steak your way. And once you've enjoyed steak on the stone, you'll realise there's no better way to enjoy your steak.
We've previously run successful Kickstarter campaigns for some of our other great models, and this product was designed in collaboration with some well-known restaurants we supply, including Sushi Samba in London and Catch in New York.
Just as we were nearly ready to launch, the coronavirus happened and the global hospitality industry was forced to all but shut down.
This means a lot of our wonderful Ishiyaki sets are now sat sadly in storage, rather than giving people joy in their dining rooms.
And this is why we're turning to you, Kickstarter. We're offering some great incentives so you can buy this wonderful product now.
You can check out all of our rewards in the right column below.
And we hope to be sending you your Ishiyaki set soon.
Thanks and happy sizzling.